Dear student friends, I am Dr. Gajanan Rashinkar, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Shivaji University, Kolhapur, and I am here to tell you how to prepare for paper number 1 of UGC NET, SLATE and SET exams. In order to understand the importance of paper number 1, let us see how is the recently changed pattern of the UGC NET or SET exam. I think you must be aware that as per the latest pattern of UGC NET exam, we have two papers, paper number 1 which is associated with the general knowledge and paper number 2 is concerned with our subject. Paper number 1 has 50 MCQs on the general knowledge we can say, and paper number 2 there are 100 MCQs on the particular subject. There are 2 marks for every question in paper number 1. Similarly, there are 2 marks for every question in paper number 2, and the time allotment is 1 hour for paper number 1 and 2 hours for paper number 2. Now, once you understand what is the pattern of exam, it is very important to understand how is the passing system. I think that you must be aware that there is a need to score 40% marks for paper number 1 if you belong to open category, and for the reservation you should score 35% marks in paper number 1 in order to qualify that. Now, if you get these marks, then only you can basically pass these exams. Now, in a similar way, in the paper number 2, you should score 40% marks if you belong to open category, and you should score 35% marks in paper number 2 if you belong to reservation. Now, you should know that if you score these many marks, that is minimum marks in paper 1 and paper 2, a subject wise merit list of all the students is prepared, and then top 6% of these students who have secured minimum marks basically qualify the NET exam. And these at the top 6%, the marks of the students at the last, who is the last student of that 6%, is considered as a cutoff. Now, if you want to pass NET exam, there is a very important thing that you should know. 1, score minimum marks in paper 1 and paper 2 as required, and number 2, you should try to score the marks above cutoff. So, it is very essential for us to understand what is the cutoff of our subject. Now, I have seen that many times students basically do not see what is the cutoff, and therefore they do not understand what is the target. So, in most of the cases we see students go casually to the NET exam. They are not at all concerned with what is the cutoff. So, I have heard it many times that if you set a goal, then only you can achieve that. Unfortunately, when we talk about NET exam or SET exam or SLATE exam, usually people are not aware of cutoff. Now, if you see the website of any of these agencies, you will see that the cutoff is usually given. The cutoff is given category wise and subject wise. So, if I belong to a particular category, I should see what is the cutoff in the last exam. Usually, whatever is the cutoff in the last exam, I suggest you to add 5% in that cutoff and make the result as your target of coming NET exam. Meaning, say if I belong to open category in EWS section, so the cutoff of last exam was 56%. Now I will add 5% and then I will make my cutoff as 62 for coming NET exam. So that is a very important for us to understand.